all this cherry wood over here that I cut up, just been sitting on my workbench. Today I want to build a small kiln. I am going to put it over here on this shelf. I'm just going to build it using 1-inch foam board. Right now I'm going to try and cut some stickers. My kiln is going to be 16 inches deep on the exterior. So I'm going to make these stickers 14 inches. I think this is probably going to be enough, but you never know. 24 inches tall, 16 inches deep. So I need 2 pieces that are 24 inches, 2 pieces that are 16 inches. I think this one sheet should be able to do the whole thing. I'm just going to score that for the moment. Follow that. 16. There we go. Looks like I didn't cut them all quite as exact as I hoped. HVAC insulation, dryer venting insulation tape. So I'm just going to try to put it together with this stuff, and then it'll just sit on this shelf. Basically just build a box with the foam, and then I'll put the dehumidifier right here. So just saw this at a garage sale for a couple bucks. So I'm going to start taping this all together. I think I want to have the shiny side on the exterior because that'll look better for my garage, because I have so many visitors in the garage that'll be really interested. I think the shiny side goes in. Uh-oh. The reflective side should go on the inside. That kind of makes sense, even though I prefer having the shiny part outside because it's just more attractive than the R-Tech. You'll get to suffer through my struggling with the backing. And how dare you fall down? Starting to look like a box, don't you think?
If you like this project and would like to see more like it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
This is the dehumidifier that I'm planning to put in the kiln. And done. Hey, what do you know? It's got a hose. The only things hooked up to this outlet are the sprinklers and the dehumidifier. So something to humidify and something to dehumidify. I can have this hose draining to the outside. 30, high 30s. Got the dehumidifier plugged in over there. I've got a drainage hose that is going to exit over here and empty into a bucket down here. Solve that problem. I'll cover it up with this guy, HVAC tape up here, but I might just put some HVAC tape and then just cut it when I want to open it. So I'm just using this little keep it closed. We've got the wood stacked in there. We've got the dehumidifier. Just got a small fan in there. The dehumidifier is draining down into the bucket. Been in there about 10 days now. So I'm at 19%. 9% there. I've been surprised at how quickly it's getting down to where I want it to be. Well, the original construction is just this 1-inch foam board. I've just set this additional insulation around the box, behind it, on top of it, and then I taped these onto the face of the door. The maximum I was getting before adding this additional insulation, this additional foam,
was about 105. With the current setup on the kiln, I'm able to keep the temperature right around my target of 120 degrees. It's working pretty well.